Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Oh, I would have screamed, but I'm filming late and my kids are sleeping and I don't want my neighbors to knock on my door because that'll be scary.
So wind up on my body, girl. Me while you come wind your waistline for me.
It is 2:25 a.m. so I'm filming because I feel like filming because I haven't filmed for a month. I did post a video already, but I haven't filmed for a long time and I really miss you guys so much and I really wanted it to film. I'm not sleepy. Today is my birthday anyways. Well, by the time I post this, my birthday is already passed, but today, June 5th, it is my birthday.
Go ahead and visit your birthday. You a bad and it's your birthday. Go ahead.
Today's video, I'm gonna be doing a Instagram makeup hack video. I think this makeup hack came from TikTok, but I saw it on Instagram, so I'm just gonna say Instagram makeup hack that I really want to try out. This hack basically supposed to make your skin really smooth and looking so flawless without using any filter, and it's not supposed to make your foundation crease as well. I'm gonna put like the short video here. I don't know, the girl that I saw it, she didn't say what type of skin she has, if she has oily or dry skin. I'm kind of nervous because I don't know how this makeup is gonna come out. I tried to make it affordable. Yeah, it is affordable actually. It's all drugstore product because I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make it all drugstore. I'm not gonna put no high-end makeup. Round of applause. Let's begin.
If you wear makeup, watch.
Okay.
Change your whole routine and try this instead. Moisturize first.
For moisturizer, I'm gonna be using the Coty glowing moisturizer. This is my holy grail. You guys know that I really love this moisturizer. The smell of this moisturizer smells so good. It reminds me of my childhood. Okay, so what is next?
And after moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually use the Fit Me one, and I just lightly dab it all over my face.
So now I had to use a translucent powder. I'm gonna be using this one. This is the Airspun loose face powder. I'm gonna take a powder brush. I'm gonna use this one from Juvia's Place. What is next?
Then take some setting spray. It could be any setting spray.
She said I can use any setting spray, so I'm gonna be using this one from the drugstore. This is the Wet n Wild Photofocus Natural Finish Setting Spray. I had to make this setting spray dry, so I'm gonna be using this little fan that my sister got me from the dollar store. This is supposed to be like the dupe for the Amazon fan, but since I don't have that one, I'm gonna be using this one. This one will work the same. Okay, I think it's good. Let's move on to the next.
After the setting spray, take a primer and just put your primer. Also, wait for the setting spray to dry first.
Now it's time to apply the primer. I'm gonna be using the Milani Prime Light Face Primer. The feeling of my face right now, it feels really tacky. That is a good feeling because that lets me know that the foundation is gonna sit there and my makeup is gonna sit there without moving. What is the next step?
Then just put on your foundation and just see what happens.
The final step is to apply the foundation. I'm gonna be using this foundation from Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Foundation, and it's the normal to dry. I am in the shade Toffee, that is number 330. So for the foundation brush, I'm gonna use this NYX03. I applied way too many foundation, so I'm just gonna go with a clean brush and just gonna blend the foundation very well. Now, let me check. To be honest, I don't think that this hack works for dry skin because the foundation is sitting on top of my skin right here. I think because of the setting powder, that's why it looks like that. And I'm getting a lot of bumps. Can you guys see those bumps that I'm getting right now? So I think this makeup hack actually doesn't work for dry skin. If you have oily skin, maybe it will work for you very nicely, but for me that I have dry skin, it doesn't work. But I'm just gonna continue on finishing the rest of the makeup and let's see how does it look applying all of the makeup. For concealer, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm gonna be using the shade Deep Cinnamon, and I'm also gonna be using the shade Tan Walnut. Next, I'm just gonna contour. I will be using the ULTA contour kit, and I'm gonna contour using this shade right here that is called Golden Bronzer. I'm gonna be applying this blush. This is from NYX, and I'm gonna be using the shade Mocha, and I'm just gonna blend it with the brush. This is the number 02, and I'm gonna apply just a little bit because I know that these blushes are really pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way. Gonna go with the highlighter. This is the NYX Born to Glow Illuminating Powder, and this one, it is in the shade Warm Strobe. This one is so beautiful. I just love this color. Can you see that? A really bronzy glow. And I'm just gonna blend it with the AOA Studio highlighter brush. So I'm gonna take another clean brush. For the lips, I'm gonna first line my lips using the MAC Core Lip Liner. So now I'm just gonna go with this mini liquid lipstick from Tarte, the Tarteist lip paint, and this one, it is in the shade Birthday Sweet. And And then I'm just gonna go back again with that lip liner and just apply it on top of this liquid lipstick. I'm gonna show you guys how I apply my false lashes, but that one is gonna be coming in a separate video. This is the completed look with everything on, my lashes applied and everything. Let me tell you guys something. I will not try this makeup hack no more. This was my first time and my last time doing this makeup hack. This makeup hack does not work for me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Turn on that notification bell so you guys can be noticed when I will be posting a new video. And as well, don't forget to hit the like if you like. If you have any video requests for me, please feel free to leave it in the comment box below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.